How you doing? I'm Andrew.
I'm Phil.
I'm Mike.
And I'm Toby.
And we're Human Nature.
Good evening, Hard Rock. You guys ready to have some fun tonight? All right.
When you come along to see Human Nature, our point up there is just to make the whole audience have a great time, leave in a better mood than when they came in. So a lot of singing, a lot of dancing. Expect to get up out of your chair and dance with us.
Let's give it a try. Come on.
And a lot of Motown hits.
It is just my imagination once again, and it's running away with me,
Was the whole show. Motown, yeah.
Of course. Is that what tonight is?
Yeah.
For the last 3.5 years, we've been doing our show in Las Vegas, in the classic Vegas showroom. So to have the room here at the Hard Rock a little bit more intimate is just perfect for us. We like to get to know the audience a bit, and there's a couple of songs in the show where we get everyone up to dance as well. So we just wanted to feel like we've just arrived at your party, and we're going to make it even better. So the intimate vibe is what we love.
Just